Hello. Welcome to my channel, my dear friends. My name is Avilash and I'm a trader next door. In this video, I'll be analyzing the chart of gold USD. So if you're watching my videos for the first time, then please subscribe to my channel for regular market analysis and do check out the Forex analysis playlist on my YouTube channel for the analysis of other pairs like GBP USD, Euro USD, USD JPY and many more. So let's get started. So this is the 4-hour chart of gold USD in front of us right now, and as you can see that gold is still trying to hold the support of 1750. It is struggling. That's why I have mentioned 1750 as the struggling support here. My dear friends, I will not be stretching this video too much. I'll just keep it short, okay, so that we just get the picture what is going on in the market after the market opening and what should be a strategy until and unless the FMC report comes out tomorrow. Okay, so let's have a look at the chart of dollar index. Yes, this is the chart of US dollar and dollar is still going up. We can see that dollar is not going down for retracement. There is no sign of retracement till yet, but as we all know, market will come down little bit because in under normal circumstances, okay, market always go up down because market also behaves like us. If you run for 1 kilometer 2 kilometer, obviously you will take few seconds rest so that you can breathe a little. Similarly, market also after running for a while it takes rest so that it can go up again. US dollar is very bullish, so when dollar will be retracing, okay, for some time, then definitely gold will be going up. Do not consider the retracement as a trend reversal. That's it. And in case you see big red candles, then 93.20 will be the retracement level, and from here market has a chance of bouncing again. Okay, so let the dollar retrace a little and let's wait for the opportunity. And just keep in mind that in case dollar gets very bullish, then 93.60 will be the resistance for the US dollar. So if it hits the 93.60 level, there is a possibility of reversal from here, and in case it reverses, then definitely gold will see some buying. Right now, what should be a strategy for gold? Then see, many of you have already taken a position, buy position at 1750 level. So if you have taken a buy position, then I'll say that no need to exit right now, because you can see that gold is still trying to hold the support level 1750 level. Just make sure that you use a proper stop loss. Your stop loss is very essential. Your stop loss should be below this candle. Okay, it can be 1740, it can be 173937. It's totally your decision. Just make sure that you use a proper stop loss, because in case there is a heavy buying on US dollar, then definitely gold will see or witness heavy selling. Just make sure that if you are buying here right now, this will be your stop loss target, and this level 1723 will be your next take profit target. And on the other hand, if you want to wait for some time, if you want to wait for the market till FOMC meeting, then you can wait. But if you have already taken a buy position and you want to initiate a buy position, that's your call. You can go for it, but use a proper stop loss. And my dear friends, most importantly, please use proper risk management. Do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital, because this is market. You can see that market is acting crazily. Dollar is extremely bullish, so do not take any risk. So please do not risk more than 2 to 3% of your trading capital. That's my request. And this is it. Hopefully you have understood. So be careful. As we all know, after during the FOMC report or after the FOMC report, market gets very volatile. So be careful. Bye bye. Take care. See you tomorrow again.